If you want to set gesture navigation on your OnePlus 13 5G, first of all, open up your settings. Great. After that, we're gonna scroll down to our system and update section. Now here, we gotta find our system navigation and simply choose your gestures. Now we are to our gestures. You can also have an option to hide gesture guide bar, switch to previous app, mistouch prevention. You can adjust the sensitivity to back gesture, right? So how do you use them? First of all, to go back in any setting, you can either swipe down from the right side or from the left side of the screen. It goes back. If you want to go back to home screen, simply swipe from the bottom of the screen, just in the upper direction, like this, right? If you want to open up your recent apps, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold your finger a little bit, just like this, right? So hold your finger somewhere in the middle. And basically, that's how you use your gestures. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.